We good. What's up, Dream Chasers? What's up, Ranch Gang? It's your boy Kevin Van Vorst checking in for another video for you guys today. So today is day one of the Dodge Demon rebuild. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Kevin Van Vorst. Been doing YouTube for some time now, but today we're going to officially start the Dodge Demon rebuild. So if you guys don't know, my Dodge Demon was wrecked a year and a half ago in my front yard. A guy who was high as hell fell asleep at the wheel, hit my Dodge Demon, which my front garage was getting remodeled, so I pulled it out just so he could paint in there. Wrecked it. So there's a huge dent on that side, which I'll show you guys later in the video. If you guys, you can literally Google it, YouTube it, Instagram it. It's been shared, I don't know, millions of times. But anyways, today we're going to start the actual process of fixing the Dodge Demon. So what we got to do today is, well, we got to first, DJ, please hit that intro.
Supercharged, 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 supercharged.
All right, so there she is in all her glory. So I've been offered a decent amount of money as is. So when I'm talking about decent amount of money, I'm talking $80,000 to $85,000 for this Dodge Demon. You might be like, why haven't you taken that yet? And it's crossed my mind, but I will sell this. If someone gives me $100,000, the Dodge Demon is yours. You can do whatever you want with it. But until then, I'm going to actually start the process. So, and if I fix it, then I'm going to keep it forever. But I'm going to document the process. So today is day one. So it has not been drove since I've parked it here, which is a long time. Now, what's wrong is both back tires are completely flat. I think that one's got a screw in it, and the other one I think has the same thing. So if you guys don't know, Dodge Demons come with their own tires, and you can always tell because it's got a Demon logo right there. So these are the NT05Rs from Nitto. They're great tires. I've drove on these tires to California, or California, Dallas, Houston, everywhere. Great tires. So, and I've actually gotten some good miles on them, and I have not replaced them yet. Now, I do have an extra one in my garage, but I figure since for the time being, we're gonna just get these fixed, and then what I'm probably gonna do is end up ordering a full new set here soon, and then replace the tires on the entire car. So first things first, what we need to do is move all this stuff out of the way. We're gonna move the Demon slowly because I haven't drove it in a while. We're gonna move some of our race car stuff over here out of the way, and then we're gonna jack this thing up. We're gonna get these tires fixed, and then we're gonna put it on, and then we're gonna kind of go through and I'll kind of show you guys the damage of the Dodge Demon. It is fixable. It's just going to take some time with an experienced frame puller who has a really good machine. So, but we're going to start this process today, and then I'll fill you guys in on everything else a little later in the video. But here she is, the most famous Dodge Demon in the entire world. All right, so bumper, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's just hanging out up here. And I'm going to move this. Okay, well, I guess I got to put the phone down. This is a little heavier than I thought, but, you know, Dodges aren't exactly known to be light. So we're going to drag this on over, and we'll go set this down. So there's a fender, and there's the harness bar, all that good stuff. There's a piece of it there. Nothing's wrong with the bumper, but they took it off when they were looking at it. And I'll probably end up replacing a lot of the pieces, and then probably end up painting the entire car just so it looks good when it's finished. And then obviously you got to peel off the wrap and everything. But yeah, so let's move some of this stuff out of the way. So like I said, this one is flat. And obviously it was hit on this side. Luckily none of the suspension components were messed up. It's really, this is the major damage, and it just needs a really good pull, and then obviously this piece needs to be cut out and replaced. So that's dented, and that's dented, but that's easy stuff. This is the main piece. But anyways, for those of you guys wondering, in case you haven't seen my channel for a while, or you haven't been here at all, it does still start. So there we go. So we're gonna let this warm up for, I don't know, probably like a minute, and then what we'll do is we're just going to turn this thing, and obviously it says service shifter because obviously when it was hit we had to put it in neutral and do all this other stuff, but it is drivable. So we're going to let this warm up for a minute, and then we're just going to move it over, jack it up, get these wheels off, and go from there. But yeah, I mean, there's only 8,600 miles on this. So, and for some reason it says 31, and that tire is flat. So, but you know, we can give it a little rep. Yeah, it still runs. Nothing's in front of it. All right, we're just gonna pull this forward and then there we go, plenty of room. So we're gonna let the engine kind of do its thing for a minute, and then yeah, as you guys can maybe, you know what, it's probably time to replace that tire. We'll see if they can fix it for me. See, but the hole's right there. It's that one. So when it was hit, kind of did that. But we'll see kind of what they can do. But yeah, it hasn't moved in a while. So we got bugs over here. But yeah, we're gonna let it run for a little bit and jack this thing up. Get these wheels off. Go get them replaced. Oh yeah, this is gonna have to be replaced. They're not gonna try and fix this. So. What to do, So, yeah, because look at, oof, that's the same thing. Wonder if anybody has an NTO5 in stock. I doubt it. So, good thing is I have one, and then I also have the front runners. So, I'll probably go get this on real quick, and then figure out the next move from there, I guess. So, but front tires are good, so I could always put the fronts to the back, put the front ones on the front, and I'll probably end up doing that actually. So, but we're gonna turn this bad boy off here. So, it's always good to run the car for a little bit because I don't drive it, obviously. But yeah, so we're gonna go get this replaced here. All right, so we got the tire loaded up. We're gonna fix the one. I'm trying to pump up the other one and see if it'll even hold air. I just need it to hold enough air so I can move it, go through it, and start going over some stuff. And then kind of figure out what my next step is with this. So if one of you guys like, dude, I'm gonna buy your Demon for 100K, it's sold, it's yours, no BS. But I have gotten offered of 80 to 85K, and it's been very tempting. I'm like, you know what? Someone gives me 100 grand for it, which I know somebody will be like, oh my God, it's wrecked, who would pay that? Well, somebody who knows what that car is gonna be worth in the future. So, because it does have a clean title. There's no accidents even listed on it when you look it up on Carfax. So, anyways, we're gonna go to Firestone and drop this off. My Trackhawk has a discount tire because I guess I ran over a nail, so it's over there getting fixed. So we're in the TRX right now. But yeah, man, so I'm just trying to, you know, get stuff going with that and trying to figure out what my next move is. I did, a lot of you guys are gonna ask, did I talk to Call SRT? I did. Awesome dude. So if you guys don't know who he is, look him up. He's awesome. So, you know, he has been interested in buying it. And to be honest with you, I would love to just do a collab with him where obviously the car stays mine, but he can have it for like, you know, 8 to 9 months, do all the work on it. You know, obviously I'll pay for the parts and stuff like that. And then, you know, he'd be able to make his money off of the YouTube videos. And that'd be like the best case scenario. So, otherwise, it's gonna end up probably going to Chicago and going up there. And then we'll kind of go from there. So I don't know, I need to call them and kind of see, and that'll probably be the next video, is trying to figure out, one, how long it's gonna take to at least just pull the frame, which if I'm guessing it's gonna probably take 6 to 8 weeks of pulling and messing with it, pulling and messing with it. So, and I don't know how far their schedule is out in the place in Chicago. I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but it's a place to fix SRT Mush's car. So, you know, I talked to them, they said they could fix it'll be better than when I had it brand new. So that's an option. So I don't know, I gotta figure out some things. But anyways, head to Firestone, we're gonna go swap this tire out and then we'll kind of go from there. All right, brand new NTO5 on the wheel. So we're gonna let that sit, and then I was charging the battery for the Milwaukee. This should be decently good. So good thing about having race car shit is you can have a pump on demand. This thing's awesome, by the way. You literally just set it to whatever. So we're gonna go to like 35. Oh shit, if I'm not retarded. 35. And then. So we'll see if this pumps up. If it does, awesome. Because I don't think, this one's got like a really slow leak, so we'll see. All right, looks like it's holding air. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'll let this air up, then I'll jack it down. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna switch these two tires. That way the new one's in the front, and the front goes to the back. And then obviously go look for at least one more new tire. If not, I can order it through Dodge, but check the Demon for sale stuff. And then if not, probably just end up buying 4 more, because I'd like to have one like hung up on the wall. And then I do have the old one, which maybe one of you guys wants. I don't know, maybe we'll have to do something with that. Yeah, I don't know what we'll do with this tire. I mean, obviously you can't use it, but it would be cool for someone's wall, because the only way you can get these tires is if you have a Dodge Demon, or if you ordered one. So I don't know. I guess we'll have to see. Maybe one of you guys wants this tire. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe we'll do like a waffle. Okay, so this, I guess, is holding air, although it's flat as shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower this side since we got the new tire on. Lower that side, so nice and easy. And then jack up the front and the back, and then just flip these two tires real quick, and we'll be good to go. Cool thing is, this is the best thing. Even if I sell the car, I still have a Demon snap-on kit. I got the Demon box, and obviously I got my own Demon jack. So, end of the day, Dodge did some crazy shit. So, we're gonna swap these real quick. So, also, these have open lugs from the factory, which is really cool. So, 18 by 11 all the way around. So, gotta love it. This one was a little tight. Obviously, it hasn't moved in a while, so there's a little bit of rust. So actually switching these is probably not a bad idea. Getting all that rust off. All right, this car has not seen sunlight in I don't know how long. So I'm going to pull it out right there and let this thing run for a little while. Oh boy. And I'm excited that holds air. Oh man. So let's pull this bitch out. If you guys want to see me do like a video of like going through a drive-through, thumbs up this video or give me a like or even comment, and we'll take this through a drive-through, because you know, if you know me, I don't really care. So let's get this some fresh air. Oh boy, it's actually outside of the shop. Holy crap. Cool, we're gonna let this run for a minute. So if I do end up fixing it 100%, we're gonna put this on bags. We're gonna straight pipe the exhaust. We're gonna paint the calipers. We're gonna do some stuff, because obviously once I fix it, I'm never gonna sell it, and then I'm gonna make it truly mine. So, because my name is on the little dash plaque over here, but I need to go through all this, which probably next video is going through all this stuff. But I mean, that's your boy. So we're gonna let this run for a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna leave this running for another couple minutes, but that's gonna be it for today's video. So the Dodge Demon is actually in the sunlight. So again, someone wants to buy it for 100K, DM me on Instagram at KellyBoyKev. So if not, we're gonna end up fixing this. So I got a couple of plans I gotta do before I fix it, because you know, I heard Dodge is looking for a donut maker, so we're gonna see if Cali Boy Kev can pull that off. But this is episode 1 of rebuilding the wrecked Dodge Demon, so stay tuned for episode 2, which we're gonna be going over the interior stuff and then figuring out how we're gonna transport this to either Call SRT up in Michigan, or I cannot remember the name of the auto body shop in Chicago. One of the two, and then obviously I will be having to tow it all the way up there because, you know, content, gang, dog. Anyways, my name's Kevin Boris. Thank you guys for watching today's video. This is my wrecked Dodge Demon. I'm out this bitch.